ba?
Happy birthday to me!
Wow. Thank you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Like that yan, no? Wow, that's mine. Oh, yung gift ni Auntie, dali. Kunin mo yung gift ni Auntie.
Which one? This?
Yeah, gift ni Auntie yan eh.
I will of the card.
It's okay, no problem.
Open!
Oh, ano lulukliki kay? Magluluto kay ni Kuya. Ay, kay.
Woo! Ay!
Come. Huwag mo yung
Oh. Open? Ha?
Wow! That's it! Wow!
wow, cake. Wow, cake. Arki.
Ay, ito na naman. Ayan na. Tumatakbo na yung isa. Nakalayo. Be, mapaparami ka na. Ba yan? Ano, magma-membership ka na ba?
Pwede.
Ha?
Tayo ang inom. Ay, magbusog kami.
One more time.
Happy birthday!
What is your wish? Wish, wish.
What's that? Makalokin naman din.
Ano ba? Mananginginig pa. Nanginginig ka, nanginginig. Ay ba, nakita yung kasi mo.
Wow!
McLaren. Polestar.
Okay.
Polestar.
What's that?
Nice.
What's that?
Polestar.
Oh, what will say? Thank you,
Oh,
Ijan,
Bobby Wang,
Kitara.
Bobby Wang. Lobat na. Sige, sige. Hawa ka muna.
Sarap na dalhin sa Disneyland ni Cruiser.
Ben! Sir! Ma'am, siya tignan mo. Happy birthday, Victor! Okay.
Dad, I love you, Mama, and Auntie. And there's Auntie. Where's also me?
Ayun.
I'm up. What? I just...
Wake up, wake up.
What the heck is doing here?
Ano, matutulog ba tayo, guys? Or no? Hooray! Good job! tawag. Ano nakikita niya sa...
Papa. Papa. The phone's Jesus. Jesus. This. Papa.
Call mo na. Workout ka din. Oh, strong! Strong! Oh, workout.
Show Papa, strong.
Papa.
Strong, show Papa the strong.
Papa.
Strong! Strong! Strong!
strong.
Oh!
Papa.
Strong! Show strong to Papa!
I will hold you. I will hold you.
Oh, tara si John!
Only here. That's why. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Jump.
Victor! Happy birthday!
Oh, Roser, look at Kuya Tor. Look at Kuya Tor. Look Kuya Tor. Roser, jump. Jump.
Halika na, halika na.
Happy birthday!
Ayaw mo dito.
Gago nalulula. Oh, mama na, mama. Let's go.
Slowly! Kuser! Happy! Shh! Look! Itsura nito. Aba, thumbs up pa, naka-thumbs up.
Hi guys.
Picture.
Hi guys, it's my birthday. How's the sound of sports car?
Oh guys, ayan, mga invited ni Torian. Mga invited ni Tor. Ba, lumala ko si Cruiser nakatayo. Panis, kumakanta pa si birthday boy.
It's good to sleep under the water. It's malabong thing, you know.
Tor!
Dito tayo.
Tor! Dance ko, sir! Victor! Ano ba yan? Kitang-kita sa video. May ano yan? Yan sa Singapore? Yung sa Singapore? Oo. Tor, sing ka! Nagsisingin nga siya. Nag-explore na siya ng swimming. Tor! Sing na daw, sabi Tita Joy. Nakainom yata siya. Come here.
Tumalun yung kanina ka.
Don? Tor! Ganun pa. Parang sapsap ah. Parang sapsap lang tara. Kala mo talaga magsising. Tor! Sing! Look at me. Birthday niya na pala, tapos na birthday niya, digpit na. Can I breathe now? Natapos na yung birthday, tsaka win. Sige, can I breathe now?
Come, I will catch you. I will catch you.
Ayun na.
Ito pa, si birthday girl din to.
I will teach you. It's like this. Don't open your mouth. Oh, your breath. You know when you are putting something in your face? See.
Smile, Kusar! Say cheese! Oh, swimming lesson si birthday boy. Ano ba yan? Hike na pasensya naman na ito.
Hami, wave! Wave!
Ayan na.
Natatawa.
Tor!
Ano mo yung diaper ni Tor? Ba, lumalaki-laki si Kusir. Ah! Ayan na. Uy!
Ayo, baby. Victor, happy birthday. Say hi to your friend. New friend, though.
Tor! You say thank you.
Mami niya.
Alam po. Kung bibili ng battery.
What will you say, Ketor? What will you say, Ketor? How about you? What will you say to Tor? Happy birthday.
Baka nang ano ka, boss?
Eh?
Say thank you, gago. Nag-shower pa. Ano pala dito? Pinag-iinitan niya na yung kotse.
Tor, are you happy?
Pinag-iinitan niya yung
Huh?
kotse.
Yes! Artista ka na, auntie.
Kainis ka dyan.
Ay, bye bro. Malapit ko pa.
So big daw.
To join me, City Verdera. My name is Mexico. I'll be your host for today. But before anything else, I would like to ask, is everybody okay? Okay, bumaba ang lahat? Now it's a Sunday afternoon and we are all gathered here today to celebrate Thor's birthday. Sabay-sabay po natin i-greet si Thor ng happy birthday, Thor! In 3, 2, 1, go! Alright! And of course, to officially open our program, kami of course, for today's celebration, we're going to have 3 surprises. Now, we're going to have the 3 surprises. For our first surprise, we're going to have an Ever Game Station 1. For our second surprise, we're going to start to your all-time top 5 minimum meals. And of course, for our third surprise, we're going to have a special guest. Alright? And before anything else, I would just like to ask kung meron mo ba other nationality? Do you have other nationality? So that's a little tough for me. But anyways, of course, we're going to start out our first surprise. We're going to have our first game. Now, for our first game, I need 5 pairs. 5 pairs muna, 5 pairs. Mommy, I need 5 pairs for this game. Crazy jump. You play, you play. Ay, dito po. Dito po, dito po. Meron po. Same sa kanila po yung first game. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 1 more pair. 1 more pair. Sino ka pa rin yan? Kulang pa isang pair. Isang pair na lang. Sir! Alright, sir, dito po. Okay, pwesto mo tayo maayos. Face each other. Face each other. You face each other. Sino na po sila dito? Dito po sila dito. Dito po. Pasok dito. Ayaw na for our first round of game, we're going to play Pick to Win. Alright? Alright, now, for the mechanics of the game, listen. For the mechanics of the game, when I'm going to say pick your head, you're going to pick your head. Right? That's your head. Say it. Touch po. Hawakan ng pula. Hawakan ng pula. Dalawa po. Dalawa kamay. And when I say to pick your shoulders, you pick your shoulders. Say with knees and toes. Alright? Now, when I say pick your cup, paunahan po kayo mag-pick ng cup. Alright? Paunahan kayo dalawang mag-pick ng cup. Now, if you're the one holding the cup, you're going to spin. Alright? Let's have a trial round first. Alright. toes. Toes, toes, knees, shoulders, knees, toes, head, toes, back. Natalo yung big boys. Right? Diba?
Uy, pagbigyan mo yung mga bata.
For this round, alright? Okay, let's start. Beat your shoulders, knees, toes, head, knees, shoulders, knees, toes, shoulders, knees, back! Jump. Yum. Tama, yum. Si Sophia at saka si Mia for this round. Alright. Let's start. Beat your shoulders, knees, toes, knees, shoulders, knees, head, knees, toes, shoulders, knees, toes, back! Alright. Alright, mix with kids and adults tayo. Okay, let's mix it with kids and adults. Now, I have already 3 boys in here. I need 2 more adults, boys. 1 line for boys, 1 line for girls. Alright? I have 3 girls also here. I need 2 more adults, girls. Maybe come here, maybe come here. Okay, 1 line here. 1 line. 1 line. Okay. Alright, 1 line for here. Okay, boys, okay, the line. Take it in. Alright. I need 2 more girls, adults, and 2 more boys, adults dito. Sino po pwede? Kuya, ikaw, magluwa na ulit. Ikaw. Si Kuya. Kuya, ikaw. Ano na kaya? Nahihiya kayo ha. Alright. Lalaki ko, 1 line, 1 line. Kids, 1 line, 1 line, kids. 1 line. Look backward a little. Alright. And here, 1 line also maybe here over here. 1 line. Alright. Now, 2 more boys. Dito pa kayo sa likod. Kayong mga guides sa mga kids natin ha. I need 2 more adults, girls. 2 more adults, girls. Si ate yan, pwede ba? Come here, you play. Ay, nagkakaroon. Ay, nagkakaroon na kayo. Alright, isa team girls. Kuya, hindi niya po kayo boys. Okay. Alright, now. Okay, just a
Kuya.
1 line for girls. 1 line for girls. So, ang mga ate, kayo ang magagawin sa ating mga chikitings. Alright. No, 1 line. Only 1 line. 1 line. Come here. Boys, dito ka. Dito. Your team boys. Come here. Alright, now, for this game, we're going to play duck walk. Alright? Oh, dito na maayos, tara. 1 line. Dito na lang ate. Dito na lang. Para di sila mahirapan. Kasi hindi niya, pag-ayan ko, pangaba. Baby, dito na. You take your line. Alright. Now, for this game, we're going to play duck walk. Can you hold me with this one, Kuya? Alright, duck walk. Alright, now, for the mechanics of the game, you're going to put this balloon between your legs. Alright? Dito. Ha? sa natin. Okay, one line. Sir, paganda mo ako sa mga kids na please na mo. Sa mga kids. Sa mga kids. Okay. To the last player, si Ate Sophia at si Kuya Marcelina. Austin. Okay, for our last player, after the last player, go back to the line, all of you will shout, Happy Birthday Thor. So that we will know who finishes first. Okay, paunahan ko pabilisan. Alright? Okay. Team points under a team. Okay. The game starts. Wait lang. Gawa ko yung nga. Ulit natin. Alright, alright. Can we move backward content? So this is the line here. This is the line here. This one. This one is the line. Alright. Now, since the players are now ready, the game starts now! The first one to finish the
Spell the name of Thor. Spell the name of Thor. You see? Thor. No. Go to the line. Turn around.
Iba talaga pag nag-clear, no?
Ganito siya sa
Mag? Pray? Why pray daw?
Hello po kayo, I'm gonna serve your table. Your invitation. Thank you.
Dark chocolate can weave in song recommendations for your playlist when you join Spotify Premium. Or stream it too. All you can do it over Instagram.
Huwag tayong atake. Atake tayo sa kanapang laro.
Ma'am, si ito na. Harap ka na. Are you happy? Enjoy po. Thank you po. Enjoy po. Ay, thank you po. Thank you. Hello po. Happy birthday, Toy! Happy birthday, Baby Toy!
Alright, once before? Ay, bubuksan.
Tagalog si Jollibee.
Let's go. Can we take a picture of them? Can we take a picture of them?
Don't be afraid. Tao yan, nasa loob.
Alright, can we take a picture? Mommy, okay lang mga picture sila dito. Before anything else, we're going to proceed for the blowing of the candle. Can we have the parents of the dito ba tayo, ma'am? Dito ba tayo sila? I'm here. Alright, before anything else, we would like to hear your birthday wishes, your messages for everyone, and of course, your wish for tour. Let's start with Monica.
Teka lang, naiiyak ako. Aray ko.
Thank you everybody for coming and celebrating with us for the birthday of Victor. And alam ko, mga off nyo po today, pero nagbigay kayo ng time. And thank you po sa aming school. Sa pag, kahit alam ko, wish ko ni Victor na mag-celebrate ng party with friends. Kaya thank you po kay Lijan, at kay Tita Sara, and then sa lahat po na tumulong po para mag-prepare ng party na to. And then Victor, happy birthday! I love you so much!
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Malayo kasi namin yung business na off nyo po ngayon, pero pumunta po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Sa sponsor po namin, si The Saint Family, sila Ijan, tatakawan niya. Maraming salamat. At ito, yung bata pa pa rin. Kaya po, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pagkakita. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Bye.
Because as we all know that despite of the things that are happening around us, we are still to be able to celebrate Thor's birthday. No, so we are very grateful for this one. To celebrate the beautiful soul of Thor. Alright? And now we're going to sing a happy birthday song for Thor. Sabay-sabay po tayo. Alright? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So, sabi po natin yung Vinci Thor, happy birthday Thor. 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Thor!
Happy birthday, so can we have a picture once again, Jollibee? Please go.
Kuya.
Okay, let's take a picture. Ayan. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Samatingin niya kay anak kay Jollibee.
Alright. Okay, thank you so much, of course. And now Jollibee wants to see you open your gift. Are you open your gift? Go open your gift.
Open! What's inside?
Let's actually turn this in your life. Wow! Exciting number from Jollibee itself. niyo naman makita si Jollibee na sumayaw ulit! Let's make a big space for Jollibee!
Thank you for coming in my party.
Okay, let's have another part of let's give space for Jollibee ulit! Isa na naman sa para mga Jollibee!
Sumasayaw sa tuwa, ganyan ang feeling kapag bida ang saya. Tayo, bida tayo, bida ang bata, sadya'y bida tayo, ang loob na sasaya. Sadya'y bida tayo, sadya'y bida ang saya. Thank you so much, Jollibee. Of course, this time we're going to have the chance to have a picture taking with Jollibee, no? May parang our dear parent senator to be here in front. And para hindi po tayo magkagulo, we're going to have a picture in front, alright? So let's start with this side. So just some other... Alright, dito po. Okay, 3, 2, 1. One more. Okay na po kayo, sir. Sir, sige po po. 3, 2, 1. One more.
Tawa to. Tito Bebe, tawa to. Tita Bebe.
Bata! Let's turn it up.
Maraming salamat po sa mga sa birthday ko tomorrow! Maraming salamat po!
Let's take a selfie. Thank you.
For Tito Ray. Tito Roy. From Tito Roy. Go.
Thank you.
From Tito Roy. Wow! What's that? You like it? What's inside? What's that door? Wow! Wow, it's a truck! It's a truck!
Successful naman, no? Tor, did you enjoy your birthday, yes or no? Ah? Yes, very good.
What do you say? What do you say
Ako
to
rin
it?
na na talaga nila pumasok ako.
Ay! Wow, what's this? Star Wars! From Tito Emerson! Bang-bang na! Sama ka na kay Ijan!
That means you will join me.
Yeah, airsoft! Si Ijan too! Ijan niya, be! Wow!
Ay, ano? Iijan.
Magbe-bang-bang talaga! Dadagdagan mo pa ng trabaho. What's up?
Dito? Tulog. Kasi kanina, alas 6 hanggang alas 12 sila. May mga mission. Pagod lang.
Wow, wala soft drink. Ano, shirt?
Ate, ano
Sino?
Ay!
Si Paring nga dito.
Or, kala ko din, invite mo yung taga ano. Yung si, ano ba yun? Abu Dhabi?
Uy, ay ko, laki ng kain niya.
Ay, may naiwan pa pala.
Parang dyan yung nabigyan. Uy, alam ko, tumitira ka na naman dyan ng candy.
Marami daw be. Be, marami pang tira.
May pinipip na ikaw,
Wow!
Hindi ka na magda-diaper.
You will not wear a diaper na ha.
Brief!
It's a brief.
Tatay! Ay, sir, kaya ka yung gagawin. Ay, thank you.
Sweet yan, ha? Gaya mo. Pag bilis ko talaga.
Oh, open, open, open.
Kalat ni Victory. Kakalat ka.
Naka-state lang yata, ate. Tor, careful ha.
Oh, dito natin ang gate.
Bigyan ko sa inyo state ka, ha?
Sabi na naman ni nanay.
Wow naman. Eh, napangiti oh. Ay, pa isa oh. Uy, what do you say?
Thank you po.
Saka may isa ng ano?
Lalabas ba?
Black box.
O sa bahay. What's that, Victoy? Oh, Lamborghini.
Sino?
You like it? Ayan na. Shoot ka na. Ba't ka naman natin?
Ay, sorry.
Wow!
Wow, another!
Helicopter, helicopter. Tor!
Good siya. Si Max yan, ha?
Mapakas nga!
Ooh!
Madali na picture ka na, hoy!
Thank you.